How to identify a good service center. Here are some tips on finding a trustworthy service center. Ask for recommendations. Ask your co-workers, neighbors, friends and family where they take their cars and if they would recommend the service center. Read online reviews. Check the reviews before you take your car to the service center. If a workshop has a low rating and several negative comments, think twice before taking your vehicle there. Get a written estimate. When you get a written estimate for the car repair, you have a legal document that details the job and gives you a written and legal warranty on it. Give them a test. Take your car in for a simple oil change or tire rotation. This will give you first-hand experience with price, efficiency, and the quality of their work. Ask about warranties. The main thing to keep in mind when you're seeking a car's repair service is to get a clear explanation of the warranty. Does it cover parts, labor, or both? And how long does that coverage last? The answer to these questions will help ensure you know what you're getting and you aren't surprised later down the road. Find a shop for your brand of car. When looking for a workshop, find one that specializes in your type of car. They are more likely to have the latest training and equipment to fix your vehicle. You will save time, money, and frustration by getting the right diagnosis and repair. Planning on making an appointment or maintenance? Do you need a specific part replaced? We at that center are here to help. We only work on European cars. If you want to book an appointment, give us a call or enter the information below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.